Hi, I'm Martha from Greenconnector. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In the floral industry, it's important to know what's going on. What are the new developments? I'm based in the Netherlands, and with my 20 years of experience in the international floral industry, I would like to be your eyes and ears in Europe and also offer you hands-on services for your projects. I can also provide you with independent information on the trends and on the markets. Having somebody on the ground in Europe as an extension of your business can be a big benefit to you. I can go on the road and be your eyes and ears in the market. I can give you detailed information on the floral industry developments in Europe, both at retail and wholesale level. You can also request me to research specific areas of interest to your business, and I'll be happy to report back to you. I can spot, but more importantly, forecast the global trends for you so that you can anticipate which trends will be headed your way. I can provide hands-on services for your projects that you need to get done in Europe. Whether it's just a couple of hours or a larger project, I'd love to discuss the details with you and find out how I can help you. I can review your marketing strategy with you, offer you advice, or be your connection to experienced third parties. Just send me an email and let's see which questions you have and where my expertise can meet them. I'd be happy to connect the dots for you.